Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix no sound and audio problems on Windows 11. First method is right-click speaker icon, click sound settings. Select your audio device under choose where to play sound. Second method is right-click start button, click device manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click your audio device, click update driver, click search automatically for drivers, click search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is right-click start button, click device manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click your audio device, click update driver, click browse my computer for drivers, click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select audio model, click next. Fourth method is right-click start button, click device manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click your audio device, click uninstall device, click uninstall, click scan for hardware changes. Fifth method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel, click sound settings. Select your audio device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements. Sixth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Seventh method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.